Sanbor Kapatisi TV.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny. Needed somebody to lean on.
Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
Legajing rajing temten roy pin sngob ha ikna puli gele Keane college yaga smin sa ken mau ba pli yaga shlam bu thop jing tip jongan ga school ba hapo sorba shillong lawan man khab reban yaga ga library duba Sanbor shulai MLA ka South Shillong constituency Badeiru umindri ka sarkar megalaya ubakmi ikatra animal husbandry and veterinary bat kiwe ringkat bak principal Jong college Dr. Pdiang ledan langru uba W club president Jong governing body vice principal kino hikai kin thop yak barim bat khna pule haga jingkran Jong principal Dr. Pdiang ila ai khuble ya baro ibla no senyang shaga ninga jingtei bat ila ongru bagani ka library block kalong ka jingpinya ka college kat komu jinan kam bat jingdulun Jong kapor
particular, the librarian and her staff. In a special way, Lord, we commit to you our chief guest, the Honorable Minister, Mr. Sanbor, who will inaugurate this new structure. We ask for your blessings upon him, Lord, especially in his capacity as a representative of the people that he serves.
Honored and grateful to our respected chief guest, Sri Sanbor Shulai, Honorable Minister, Arts and Culture Department, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Legal Metrology Department, Government of Meghalaya, who has kindly consented to grace this occasion for your valuable presence on two historic days of our college. The first one being the 90th College Foundation Day, which we had celebrated on 25th of July.
Regarding the infrastructure of the college, because for the last few years, I have adopted a new policy. That policy is walk more, talk less. What you have seen, what you have witnessed, there is political party who talk for 2, 3, 4 hours in the marketplace, in the street. What we have witnessed, whatever they have given the promises to the general public, it's at the end of the day, you are gaining nothing. So that's why I adopt this policy, and I'll talk straight to the proposal which has been submitted to me as your local MLA. The extension of this building. I must congratulate also the students who have present us wonderful Khasi traditional song. And we had twice meeting with the CM, since the scheme is quite big, around 8 crore plus the proposal. So we have decided with the Honorable Chief Minister that we are preparing, because as per the guidelines we have to recommend it through proper channel. Then we'll send it to Delhi. I have also spoken with our Honorable Minister of Minority, Sir Kiran Rijijuji. So he said, you prepare, let the proposal be recommended by the government. And he told me, brother, you come personally, meet me, then accordingly, because there are lots of money from the Minority Affairs Government of India. And when I addressed just now, giving my thanks to my PS, Walambok Kongwir, when I say BJP, please don't feel allergic. But I must congratulate the wisdom of the people, the electorates of my constituency. All community, last 2003 election, they have given me 96% votes. It's been all community, they are voting for me. So I would like to request to each and every one of you, please accept the BJP. In your own locality, you kindly enlighten the people that the time has come for each and every one to accept the good work of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So with these words, once again I would like to express my sincere thanks to each and every one of you inviting me here as a chief guest.